the head off, you boil it in lemon, lime for about 4 or 6 hours. You take off the skin, you take off the bone, and you recook it, you season it.
All right. Any kind of shark, huh?
Yeah, whitehead shark.
Okay.
Shark is shark, hammerhead shark, shark.
Okay.
But that's the best meat.
Yeah. You see people catching them out here?
Nah, not out here. I'm just saying, when you get a shark meat, not the one they sell at the store, the one you got to catch in the ocean.
Okay.
Nah, I'm just kidding, man. But listen, they don't want you to eat sharks, right? Because they say shark is not good for you. Like they don't want you to catch a dolphin. But shark is the best thing for you.
All right.
It digests your intestine and cleans out your bowels. So when you cook shark the right way, it don't kill you. It amazes you.
Okay, good to
But
know.
you gotta boil it for 4 or 5 hours in lemon, take off the skin,
Yeah.
you cut off the head, you take out the bone, and you season it and recook it on the stove like you're making some strip, some stew strip or something, you know?
Yeah. Okay. All right. Good to know. Never knew it. Shark. Okay.
How was it out there?
It was fun earlier.